Hello and welcome. This is Professor Gio Joy from Department of Computer Science, Christu Jayanti College, Autonomous, Bengaluru. I am here to give an introduction to the course titled Computer Graphics. This is a course for the BCA 5th semester students, and the course code for the same is BCA A04A51. This course is having 4 credits with total teaching hours of 60 hours during the semester, wherein there are 3 hours of lecture hours every week, and I am accompanied by my fellow colleagues, Professor Dhanamalar, Professor Ramanathan G, and Professor Margaret Mary, for assisting you through this course during the 5th semester of BCA program. So let us dive deep into the ocean of computer graphics. The excitement begins now. Coming to the course outcome. After successful completion of this course, the students will be able to demonstrate various line, circle, and ellipse drawing algorithms like the DDA and Bresenham, and they will be able to perform the various transformations with geometrical images. And they would be able to explain the raster and random scan techniques in the 2 dimensions and projection graphics in the 3 dimension. The students will be also able to design projects using OpenGL API as well as C language graphics library functions. The content delivery. We deliver the content through online as well as offline sessions. There will be flipped classroom methodology implemented, wherein every course content is shared through the KJC LMS. And the learning content include the text content, presentations, and video lectures. There will be lesson-wise multiple choice tests, as well as there will be discussion forums, which will be an arena for discussions on various graphics scenario, as well as for the question answer sessions. Prerequisites for the course. Students are expected to have basic mathematics background, especially in the form of slope, intercept, representation of straight line, trigonometric functions, and basic matrix operations. But don't worry, the students who does not have all these mathematical backgrounds, we will be brushing up all these terminologies before we use them in the various derivations through this course. And of course, since we are going to implement the graphics programming through C language, it is expected that the students have the C programming basics already done before starting this course. And the textbooks. So the basic textbook what we follow for this course is Computer Graphics C version by Donald Hearn and M. Pauline Baker from Pearson Publications. And for the OpenGL concepts, we follow the Computer Graphics OpenGL version book, again from the same authors, that is Donald Hearn and the Pauline Baker. The syllabus covers 5 units. Unit 1 on graphic systems, Unit 2 on output primitives, Unit 3 on 2D transformations, Unit 4 on 3D graphics, and Unit 5 on graphical input techniques. And there is an associated practical course for this theory course, that is the Computer Graphics Practical wherein students will be practicing a total of 15 programs, wherein 10 of the programs they will be practicing through the C graphics library functions and another 5 using the OpenGL API functions. The Unit 1 on graphics systems covers the topics like the applications of computer graphics, an introduction into the graphics software, the video display devices, CRT functioning, display processor, and some essential C graphics library functions like the initgraph, ditetgraph, getmaxx, getmaxy, all those things. And Unit 2 deals with the output primitives, wherein students will be learning different line and circle drawing methods, that is the DDA and Bressendam, as well as ellipse drawing method using Bressendam's technique. And also the students will be covering area filling, scanline, area filling, and character attributes. Unit 3 deals with the 2D transformations. The various geometric transformations will be covered here. Homogeneous coordinate systems will be covered. And the topic on window and viewport. Of course, the clippings and classifications of clippings and the various clipping algorithms, that is basically the line clipping and the area clipping, will be covered here. Unit 4 deals with the three-dimensional graphics, wherein students will be introduced to the 3D coordinate system, 3D transformations, polygon surfaces, depth buffer and scanline method, as well as functions for segmentation. The 5th unit deals with graphical input techniques, basically the positioning techniques, selection techniques, and throws light into the various input devices and goes for the OpenGL implementation. So basic introduction to the OpenGL and the OpenGL syntax and the basic OpenGL transformation functions, interactive device functions, and OpenGL menu functions are covered in this unit. So, on behalf of the Computer Science Department, we, the faculty members, Professor Geojoy, Professor Dhanamalar, Professor Ramanathan, and Professor Mary Margaret, welcomes you to the exciting world of computer graphics. So, let us begin.